Hello everyone, this is Edgar with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your speaker on the right side of your Solo 4 headphones. First, these are tools we'll be using: 2.0 Phillips, prying tool, tweezers, and also a soldering iron. As well as you might need this because sometimes the glue they put on the wires is a little tough. You might need a heat gun, or you could use a hair dryer, but that also works like this. And you want to start off with pulling the ear pad off. I already have the ear pads off on this unit, so I'll just show you when the ear pad's on with the tape, how you pull it off. You grab your prying tool, you go right down the side, you pull up, you go to the other side, you pull up, and then you're able to just pop it off like that. And then you got 3 big screws here to unscrew. And you got your charger port wires as well, which I'm not gonna worry about right now. That's how you pull that off. Now you need to heat up the points. As you can tell, maybe it's a little hard to tell, there's glue right there on the speaker wire points. So you want to heat it up a little bit. Sometimes you're able to use no heat and pull it off, so I'll give it a chance with a flathead. Just put a little pressure on there, play around with it, you should be able to pull it off. But with the new Solo 4s, I will say the glue they've used is very annoying. But just like that, with a little bit of heat, that comes right off, toss that out. Now it's where your soldering iron comes in handy. You want to pull off both points, and at 500 Celsius, it takes a millisecond. Place it on there, pull it off. That easy. That's why I keep it so high. Yeah, you can do it on less heat so you don't damage anything, but if you're just quick, 500 is the perfect heat to get it on there and out of there within milliseconds. So once you pull those wires off, just remember which wire goes where. You can pull them to the side, you can take a photo to remember the wires. Now, this is where you want to use prying tool. Want to use that end of the prying tool, get in there. It's going to take a little bit of work, but you're able to get past that glue, and you just go around the whole edge like that, popping that glue off, basically. Just like that, and you just want to go through the whole thing. You could use a flathead here. I would recommend as well a flathead, but I like the prying tool. It has more surface area and it gets more of it out the way once you get in there. The flathead, you have to move it a lot more and dig in less spaciously. I don't know if that's a word, but once you get most of it off, you could just pry up like that and it should pop out without breaking anything. Pop it out like that. Beautiful, clean, magnificent. Clean off all that excess glue. Yeah, you just want to clean off all that excess glue. Should pop off pretty easily. Once you do that, you grab your new speaker. This is the reason you leave the wires there and you don't pull it out, so you remember that's how the speaker faces. And I did forget, you'll also need super glue. And you could use super glue, you can use any glue you're comfortable with, but I would say for the speaker housing itself and the speaker, I would say super glue would work the best. And once you get super glue, you want to pop it open. You want to put about, I would say, 8 different dabs, tiny dabs of super glue in 8 different spots. That would be the best. You don't want to douse it in too much super glue so it doesn't leak through, but just enough to cover up all the holes. And once that's done, you want to grab or soldering iron again, place the speakers back on there. And once the speakers are back, the wires are back on there, you grab your headphones like this. Watch out for these wires so they don't cover up the speaker holes. That's the main priority, because once you screw the speaker holes in, the screws in there, and if the wire is in the way or even close, you'll damage your wire. You grab Phillips 2.0, grab those big screws, and screw it back in just like that. And that's how you place your right speaker on your Beats Solo 4s.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.